Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, you know I'm appreciating you. New viewers, you guys got to become subscribers so you can get some really cool recipes like this one. Today we're outside, we're on the grill, and we're going to grill up some watermelon. So, jumping right in, I'm doing watermelon steaks, which means basically that I have cut a nice thick cut of seedless watermelon, and I've got 2 of them. In my bowl, I have a half a cup. This is dark brown sugar. You can use light brown sugar. You could use granulated sugar. I like this because it has the molasses. That's a tablespoon of cumin. I'm just going to mix this together. And this is going to give it kind of a, the flavor of the cumin, but then it's also going to help bring out the sweet off the grill. So I'm just going to sprinkle across the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to rub it in after I get it on there. Same thing on this piece. So you want to get both. Again, half a cup. This will give me 2 easily. I may even have a little left over. We're going to do both sides. You can see both of the watermelon steaks are nicely coated, and the juices are starting to kind of absorb in. So, hot grill. I've got a hot side and then my indirect heat side, right? For these, I'm going to go straight to the direct side. Now, I will tell you that cooking a watermelon steak, this is delicate, so you got to be gentle. 2 to 3 minutes tops. We're just trying to get some grill marks on and a little bit of sear. See you in 3. We've been 2 minutes, and you can see I'm starting to get the char. I may flip that one back over just to see if I can get a little better mark on it. I think I'd like a little bit better grill mark, but that's the color we're looking for right there. So I'm actually gonna let them go 3 minutes on this side, and then I'll flip them back. See you in 3. All right, you can see I've got some nice, good grill marks going, so it's time to take these guys off. I'm just gonna set them right back in the pan that I had them in because it's not like it was raw meat. It's okay. We're going to take this in and we'll cut it up. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and just cut right into it. I've stacked them one on top of the other. You can hear it's still a little bit crisp, which is what we like in our watermelon. But it's going to have that nice smoky grill flavor. This will go great on a salad. This can be just a side dish by itself, however you want to do it.
You're right, Dad. That looks good.
Spoon, serve it up, and how would you like to be my taste tester, sir? Tell them.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what spices and stuff you use if you grill watermelon. And if you've never tried it, give it a shot. Otherwise, check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.